started a new adventure. It's Superbhabi. I hope you follow me on the Instagram page. So I do selfie frames, and this is how I started. I started at my sister-in-law's wedding time. I did a lot of DIY, and I don't know, I just got this skill that I didn't know I had, so I started selling it now. So these are A1 in size. They can fit up to 4 people. I'll put in a picture from one of the events I've been to. It's quite sturdy. I do offer postage and packaging, so anybody in the UK, or if you're in Luton, you can collect it for free. You can pick from any colour, so any colour with the writing, and you can pick green, black or white or pink border frame, and you can choose from 2 colours, and then I add my little personalised mix by adding a white or green or leaves, whatnot. But it's totally up to you how you want to do that. This is my first time doing this event, so I do personalised mirrors, as you can see, and personalised guestbook. And in regards to the mirror, you can just have Nazish and Habib and the date. You can just have Nazish and Habib. You can have, and we created you in pairs, one of the quotes from the Quran. You can have anything like this. So this is a kind of a gold and white theme to it, and this is what Nazish wanted, the bride wanted. But you can have, we have silver, we can do a vintage. So we've got gold border mirrors, we can do silver border mirrors, or we can do white. So it's totally up to you. Just let me know how you want to do it. And obviously we can, if you want silver, we can do silver decor, white, we can do more vintage decor, whatnot. So yeah. So you would get this at the end of the event. You get this and you get your guest book. The rest are on hire, so the decor is on hire. Thank you to my bestie Shimana for helping me. Okay, I'm super excited. I hope you're following my page, and please give me a big thumbs up.